there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to turn this poppy flower applique into a hexagon motif. And you can use this pattern to make your hexagon as big as you like. I've only crocheted 2 rounds, but I will show you how to multiply it and make it as big as you like. Now, I've already made this poppy flower applique into a different in a different video, and I will put the link to it in the description. If you haven't seen it yet, you'll also find it here on a video, probably here at the top. Once you make this one, you can use this video to turn it into a hexagon. There is also a video which I will link below as well, how to turn it into a square. So if you are looking for a square motif, use the link below and I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I am using double knit yarn in green and the poppy that I've made previously in the first video, which is made as well in double knit yarn. Obviously, you can use any yarn you like with a matching hook. I'm using a slightly larger hook than recommended for double knit. This is a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. You will also need the scissors and a darning needle to cut the yarn and weave in the ends. So we will start with the poppy that I've made before, and we will join the green yarn on the back of the poppy. If you remember from the video, we have worked this last layer of petals in the front loops of the circle. That left the back loops exposed, and we can work onto them. There are 24 stitches in this edge, and we will use these to crochet our hexagon motif. Now, the only reason we are not working with the poppy facing down, which is the easy way, is because we will have this wrong side, the ugly side of the hexagon, facing this way. And we don't want that. We want the pretty side of the hexagon to face up. When you have it all connected, you'll have all these nice stitches showing up instead of the wrong side of it, which is not the prettiest. So what we will do is work with the poppy facing up, and we will just fold the petals this way so we can expose these back loops, and we will just work like this. Now let's join the green yarn, make a slip knot, take it off, then insert your hook in any of the stitches. It really doesn't matter. Okay, like this, and then we make a chain 3, and this counts as a double crochet. Now we will be working over the end, so we don't have that many stitches to work with, and we will make into the next stitch the loop, actually, but I'll just call it a stitch. We make another double crochet, and then another double crochet into the next. Now into the next stitch we will create the corner stitches. These are just a group of stitches that form the corner, each corner of the hexagon. So insert your hook into the next stitch and make a double crochet, then chain 2, and into the same stitch make another double crochet, and this is the corner stitches. Now we make 3 double crochet, 1 in each of the next stitch. So 1 double crochet, 2 and 3, and then we make another corner into the next stitch, which is double crochet, chain 2, and then double crochet. And this is your repeat section right here. We make 3 double crochet, and then the corner stitches, which is double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. We repeat this 4 more times. We need to have 6 corners. I'll show you one more repeat and then I'll just fast forward to the end of the round. Just repeat that section over and over. 3 double crochet, 1 in each stitch. So then 1, 2, and then 3. And into the next, we make the corner stitches, which is double crochet, chain 2, and then double crochet. And this is your repeat section. I've now made all the repeats until I reach the end of the round, and to close the round, just make a slip stitch in the chain 3, top chain of the chain 3. And this is your first round. You can now see the hexagon. We're now just going to build the rounds on it. So let's continue. And again, chain 3 counts as a double crochet. And then we will make a double crochet on top of all double crochet until we reach the corner. So we have 3 double crochet, we make 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Now we have reached the chain 2. We will make the corner stitches inside those chain 2. And the corner stitch, it's slightly different than the previous one. This time we are going to make 2 double crochet, and then chain 2 and 2 double crochet into the same chain space. So this is your corner stitches. These are your corner stitches, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Now we are working on a different new side of the hexagon, and we are going to make again a double crochet on top of any old double crochet below. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet stitches. We will make 5 double crochet on top, 1 in each stitch. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And again, we have reached a chain 2 space. We will make the corner stitches like we did before. 2 double crochet in a chain space, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet into the same chain space. And this is your repeat section right here. 5 double crochet, followed by the corner stitches, which is chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space below. Now I'll show you one more repeat and then I'll just jump at the end of the round. You do that on each side of the hexagon. Okay, so let me show you one more repeat. We make we have 5 double crochet below, so we make 5 double crochet on top, 1 on each. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we've reached the chain 2 space. We made the corner stitches, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the same chain 2 space, like this. And like I said, repeat that 1, 2, 3 more times until we have crocheted into the last chain 2 space. So now I've made all my repeats. I've crocheted into the last chain 2 space below. We have one more double crochet. We need to crochet on top this stitch. So make 1 double crochet, and we have completed this round. To close it, slip stitch at the top chain of the chain 3 you've made at the beginning. and then you can cut the yarn and pull through. Now you can make this hexagon as big as you like. All you have to do is repeat this second round over and over, and the formula it's pretty simple. Make a double crochet on top of every single double crochet you have below. In this case we have 9 double crochet, so you'll be making 9 double crochet, then you reach the chain 2 space and you'll make the corner stitches as below. 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and repeat that over and over. You can make your hexagon as big as you like, as big as a blanket if you wish. And this is how you crochet a poppy flower hexagon. This is how you turn this flower into a hexagon. You can make any kind of flower as long as you have the exposed loops on the back. You can turn it into a hexagon. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help you and answer them. Happy crocheting!